Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today will be a food channel because today I will show you how to cook a Filipino lunch. My Mahal will be the chef and she will show you how to cook what Mahal? What is?
Isdang paksiw na isda. Paksiw.
Paksiw?
Na isda.
Na isda.
Yeah.
And in English is fish. We will cook
paksiw. It's called paksiw.
We will cook fish today. Let's see. So what we have here?
This is tomato. Tomato, you will put it inside here.
What is the name of the fish? What fish?
It's called maya.
We can use any kind of fish?
Yeah, any kind of fish.
Okay, so now you fill the fish, right?
Yeah, we will fill the fish with
what? Onions.
Ginger. Garlic. This is mixed already.
Yeah. Okay.
So this one.
And put all inside.
Yeah. And then this one too.
Okay.
You will put garlic. This is called ginger.
Yes.
And this one. You will put
Tomatoes.
Tomato and onion. So after here, you will put a little salt. And that's it.
Oh, very simple.
Yeah. But Mahal, we have this one. Wait, one. This is chili. It's called chili.
Chili.
Yeah, this
one.
Oh, yeah.
Chili. I like chili.
Then this one, Mahal.
Banana leaves, right?
Yeah, banana leaves.
So fish together with chili. Okay.
Yeah, and put outside here like this.
Okay.
Cover it.
Yeah.
Our banana leaves is like small.
It's small?
No, it's not small. It's
and put in the fry pan. Okay.
And this one.
So the same, yeah. Okay. And now what? So some vegetables, yeah.
Yeah. This one, enough.
Yeah, we have enough.
Yes.
We have enough, more than enough.
This one is for our another meal.
Okay. So we don't waste anything. And now what? What is this?
Vinegar.
Okay.
Cook with vinegar.
How much vinegar?
It's like 200 ml.
Okay. Maybe they want to know the recipe, so.
Yeah.
So 200 milliliter vinegar. Okay.
And put some seasoning because we already put what they call this one. So we will put a little here.
A little bit of salt, yeah.
Yeah, salt.
Yeah, only salt.
Enough.
Okay, enough. Yeah.
And then cover it.
So no water, no oil.
No water.
Okay. For how long will you cook this?
Like 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes at what temperature?
200.
200, okay, it's
Yeah,
200.
So
okay. Now the fish is cooking and meanwhile, what we are doing, Mahal?
We're preparing for our vegetable. It's called ginataang gulay.
Okay, what is this?
This is sigarilyas. This is called sigarilyas, Mahal. This one.
Okay, wait, okay.
This is called sigarilyas.
What else we have here?
We have this kalabasa. This is squash, pumpkin.
Pumpkins
and this is string beans.
String beans?
Yes.
And this one?
And this is malunggay leaves.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know if you are like that.
All in Tagalog, but hope you will enjoy it. And I hope you understand, because I don't understand anything. But they are green. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of vegetables, right?
Yeah, at least 5.
5?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
You have like this in your country, Mahal?
Yes, we have pumpkins, of course.
So, just like us.
Yeah.
But we cook it with coconut milk.
Oh, really?
With shrimp. With seafoods. Any kind of seafoods. Crab. You can use crab, shrimp. Now we have shrimp.
I can wait to taste it, guys. What do you say? What?
See.
Okay. Oh, wait, Mahal. Yes. Okay. Oh, looks nice. It's boiled. Yeah. It's smelly and hot. Nice.
Because of the
vinegar.
Vinegar, yes.
Vinegar is too strong. What mahal is all?
Yeah, it's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think it was only 10 minutes or something like
Yeah,
this.
like that.
It's very fast.
And you open this mahal like this. Later when we
So it's done?
yeah, it's cooked.
So,
It's half cooked like that. It's
Okay.
like steam.
yeah, it's still. Okay. Only 10 minutes, so it's very fast.
Later now we will remove the
Leaf.
this one mahal if when we start to eat.
Now we'll leave it like this.
Yeah. We'll
Okay.
leave this. Oil, a little oil, small oil.
Okay.
Then you cook all this. But this is too much
It's too much.
because we have only small. You know. This one.
Yeah.
This is
So,
garlic.
garlic the first,
Garlic.
then
But you like mahal? It depends because there are
I
a lot.
like mahal garlic. I like.
Yeah, some they like
And
a
after
lot of.
after I will eat garlic, I will kiss you.
Some they like, you know, they like a lot of onion and like this. But me, I just put a little, okay?
Yeah, that is a little. Yeah. She doesn't laugh off my jokes.
Ginisa flavored meat. Instead of salt, we put like this. We will first put the pumpkin.
The pumpkin. Okay.
Yes.
So we need to put in some order.
Yeah, because pumpkin, they cook. You have to cook it more.
Okay. So first the pumpkin.
Got all the ingredients. It's called okra, all green.
All green.
Yeah.
And now,
Now you put the shrimp.
now the shrimps.
This is our shrimp.
Oh, big shrimps.
Yes.
Big, very big shrimps.
Shrimp.
Looks so nice. So nice.
This is called the coconut milk.
Okay. Coconut milk, guys. And how many minutes?
Like 15 minutes.
15 minutes and 200 degrees. 220 or 10 minutes. Okay. More or less. Looks so nice. So nice. Looks good. Hot, hot. Oh, yeah, it's cooked.
This is super nutritious.
What is?
This is malunggay leaves.
And what are you doing now?
I will remove each, so we will put it later.
Only the leaves.
Only the leaves.
Okay. It's not finished yet?
No, it's not. We need to cook, super cook this one.
Looks very nice. Very nice. So Mahal, what are you doing now?
So this is the pure coconut milk mahal, the first squeeze. We will put it as the last part.
Oh.
Yes. Now you will cook the coconut milk.
Mahal, it's like a soup.
Yeah, it's a soup.
It's a soup. Okay.
Actually, it's not really soup, but
It looks like a soup.
yeah, but they have
Shrimp.
yeah,
Shrimp soup with vegetables.
Yes, exactly.
Boiled in coconut milk.
Yes. And
Okay.
this is malunggay leaves.
Malunggay leaves.
Yeah, you put leaves like this.
All
And
of
this is super, super healthy.
Okay.
Okay, taste this mahal.
My God. Super good. Guys, you need to try this. You need to
This
try
is the final run.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
And now it's over.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Just look at this color, guys. It's amazing.
Amazing.
And I pity you guys that you cannot taste it, but you can try to cook it. You need to try to cook this. It's very simple, very easy.
Vegetable, cooked with coconut milk.
And big
sauce.
shrimps. It's all that you need. Look here, guys, look. Our lunch is almost ready. We have shrimp soup, fish and rice. Our lunch, our Filipino lunch is ready. The name of this dish is
This is ginataang gulay with shrimps. This one. And this is paksiw na isda. Yeah. And this is fish with vinegar.
Now you know, guys, what it is, how to cook it. It's very easy, very simple, and very fast. Very fast. All I think 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Stop.
30 minutes.
Very fast. And now let's eat because I'm starving, guys. I'm starving.
Yeah, fish. Mmm.
It's very good cook, very good. 10 minutes, it's enough. It's enough. Let's try the vegetables.
And the shrimp.
Also.
And the shrimp.
Very good cook, very good. It's hot. Oh my god, it's hot. 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 Kami pula.
And the rice.
Very good. Whew, delicious. Thank you, Mahal. So guys, this lunch was amazing. I'm super full, super happy. And now, for the ending of this video, I want to tell you just one thing, and that is how much cost everything. So Mahal, tell us, how much did you pay for all the ingredients?
400.
400 pesos for all.
Yeah.
And 400 pesos is $8, right?
Yeah, $8.
$8, guys. $8. And we are not finished all. It's not all finished. I will show you. We have shrimp soup and rice there. Whew. So that was our Filipino lunch. I enjoyed it very much. Thank you, Mahal, one more time. You are a great cook. I love you so much. And you guys, see you next time. Bye bye.
Pom pom. Mwah.
Hi guys, how are you? Well, no, not well. 4 kinds of vegetables, right?
Yeah, at least 5.
Ah, 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, wait, now show. Now do again. Now do again. 1, 2.
1. This is malunggay.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do again.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ok. Dacă ești nou pe aici, atunci nu uita ca înainte de plecare să apeși butonul de abonare ca să ai ce viziona în continuare.